Hello, Odyssey students. I've got another one to share with you. This one is Grow, How We Get Food from Our Garden. It's by my brother, Karl Beckstrand, and Zanara did the illustrations. Outside my window, I see green leaves and light. My heart beats faster. Days like today make me smile. I love to work in my garden. Till and turn, hack and hoe, plow and plant, mulch and mow. January to June, harrow and weed. April to August, water and feed. Sow by row, graft and grow. Thorny thorn, spiky spine, sticky sticker, prickly pine. Pollinate, germinate, prune and trim, sprout and stem, twig and limb. Roots and shoots, stamen and seed, flower and fruit, wonderful deed. Bulb, blade, blossom, bloom, bud, bowl, bough, beat, bark, barb, branch, birch, briar, burr, butterfly, bee. Rocks in my pockets, soil in my hair, mud in my nails, dirt everywhere. And he has in the bottom of his books a little bit of questions that are ideas or things that can help you understand a little more. Like this one says, did you know that spiders and bees are our friends? Spiders control pests that eat plants. Bees and butterflies pollinate plants so that they can make new plants. I think I missed a page, yep. Clouds and wind, sun and showers. Stalks reach high, vines climb bowers. Ladybugs eat aphids, ducks eat slugs. Goats eat weeds, birds eat bugs. Petal, thistle, needle, nettle. Seed, spore, squash, spud, nut, ear, pit, pad. Finally, it's harvest time. Basket, pail, crate, and bushel. Potatoes, tomatoes, pumpkins, and peas. Pansies, posies, petunias, poppies. Apples, apple, apricot, daisy, and cherry. Banana, broccoli, tulip, and berry. Pull, pick, peel, pluck. Snap, snip, string, shuck. Onion, oregano, turmeric, thyme, ginger, garlic, nutmeg, and thyme. Onion, paprika, pepper, pimento, parsley, cinnamon, cumin, curry, and chili. You've got onion, garlic, and pepper as well, and chili. Eggplant, asparagus, artichoke, parsnip, tarragon, tuber, tulip, turnip, vanilla, leek, rosemary, melon, lettuce, licorice, lavender, lemon, black bean, pinto bean, navy bean, lima bean. Oh, look at that. Celery, corn, carrot, cucumber, cabbage, spinach, zucchini, cauliflower, spearmint, sage, saffron, sassafras, grapefruit, grain, grass. Most grains come from grasses: barley, oats, rice, rye, wheat, and one more shown on this page. Wonder what it is. Cayenne, currant, coriander, clove, radish, rhubarb, raspberry, rose. Hazelnut, coconut, chestnut, walnut, pecan, pistachio, peanut, Brazil nut. We have rhubarb, kumquat, fig, avocado, yam, and kiwi. Chive, olive, dandelion, dillweed, mushroom, marshmallow, mustard seed. Wash, dress, heat, and eat. Earth, fire, and water, spring, summer, fall, winter, north, south, east, west. Tending a garden is the best. It says down here, food helps you grow. For tips on growing food, see his website. And the link's on there. I'll put that down below when I send you this YouTube video. Thanks very much. Talk to you next time.